Good morning, YouTube. Well, I was cleaning out my Pellet Pro PP70 this morning and filling up the hopper. Um, and I was, as I was filling up the hopper, I was looking at this label here, which I haven't had a good chance to really look this stove over since we've had it installed. We had it installed the 1st of December, and I've been looking through the booklet a lot. Trying to familiarize myself with the stove and how it works. But something that I found that was really cool this morning is this label here on under the under the pellet hopper. It's the lid for the pellet hopper, and I found this little maintenance schedule. Um, I have been cleaning my stove daily, and cleaning it out really, really well, vacuuming up everything out of it really, really well. But as I was looking at this maintenance schedule, um, I'm looking at it. It's showing that you clean the burn pot like once a day or daily. That's probably the most important thing inside the stove that you need to have clear because the when the air mixes with to provide you a good flame, it passes through these holes underneath the burn pot. So those need to be cleared out really well. So yes, you're supposed to clean those out daily, once a week. It tells you to use your tool to poke any debris out of those holes, and this is the tool that you would use to do that. Um, and then once a week it says to vacuum it out. And then monthly, it tells you to remove the baffles and clean that really well. So uh, as of um, as of today, I mean, I've been doing it daily, doing everything daily. So it's nice to learn that I really don't have to do all that work daily. So I'm probably going to cut back on my cleaning. The other thing I clean once a day is the glass because we like to watch the flame. It's just kind of cool. So we clean our glass once a day, and I know there's been videos made about cleaning the glass. Um, uh, but the easiest way that I found so far, I found a video that shows that you use newspaper and water. So and that needs I don't know what's in the newspaper that cleans that glass so really really well, but that's all I use. So and it doesn't scratch the glass, and it's really really nice. The other thing on here is you have a troubleshooting guide. Um, the way you troubleshoot this machine when you have issues is on the side panel here. There is a light right here. As you can tell, it's blinking slow, and that's what you want to see. But if you don't, you just refer to this chart here, and the lights. I guess the lights indicator light. It gives you different blinking patterns to tell you what's wrong with your machine and how to troubleshoot it. So that's really cool. And then right here is the operation of how to operate the machine. So anyway, I just thought that was really really helpful this morning when I found that, and I thought, oh hey, I'll do a video. So here's your video. Hope you guys are having a great new year so far. It is January 2nd, 2023, and I'm signing off. Okay, I'm using the PelPro PP70. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.